Hello guys, welcome back to BiFace. Today we're going to look at how to assign a transaction to a specific site. The last video we looked at how to assign an event to a specific site. So in this video we're going to do that transaction. A transaction is, as we looked at, we added a business transaction. If you look at my video on how to add a global transaction. So make sure you've logged in. You're seeing the big blue circle there, and here you just enter your username and password for your profile, which I've already done so. And after you do that, you have to click on this button up here, which is the third button and then you just enter your profile password and you click OK. If you look at my previous videos, I was using an Android version 5 whose resolution density was a little bit low. This is some higher density phone on resolution, and the third button is an extra third button on top, which looks like a person just beside the icon that looks like a person with a Wi-Fi signal or something like that. So basically we were clicking on the upper right corner of that blue black image that is written BiFace, the upper right corner, to get to this button here, which was hidden with the other versions, or with the other version of the phone. This one is an Infinix. It's a good with some high density. So basically let's go back to assigning a transaction to a specific site. So once you've done all that login and you've authorized yourself, just swipe from left to right and go to settings. You look at BiFace TXN, which is the third icon in the first row. Just click on that and it will load site transactions for the current site. And we see that actually we did assign, we already have a business transaction for this site. This is a different site, but we are going to show you how to assign a transaction for this, how this business transaction was assigned. So basically just swipe from here, you just swipe an empty area from right to left and you get this form. So you enter the transaction name. For example, like now the way that other one was done, here you enter the business as the name, and then we put a code here like 00, and then you have to put like a description. Just say here transactions for Monday HQ, if that is my site. The site name, I'm calling it Monday headquarters HQ, and then here I'll type the global, I'll look for the global transaction that we had created for the profile. I'll just remove this text and then put BU and press on go. It will search for the transaction that starts with BU global, and here it is. So I select business and that is it. So I just save. So once it is saved, that's what happens, and we are done. If I go back to settings again and I look at business transaction, you'll find that it indeed saved that business transaction. And because we already have that business transaction, so what it did is just it overwrote this business transaction, the one that's already in the site. So if I click on it again, you'll find that maybe we can change like the code here. Let's put it to 01 like that and save it. So it will be saved. Then I go back again, select settings, and I go again to BiFace TXN. I'll still find my business transaction for this site, but now the code has changed to 01 because that one has been edited like that. So that's how you assign a business transaction to a specific site. But how do you know which site we are? If you look at the home page, there is still Monday HQ up there. Just below my request, there is a site which is Monday HQ, which is a site this teller has logged in, and the teller here is Lucy Masila. So I think we just want to show you how to do that. I'm just doing it with a friend's phone, and who already has got this application running in for her business. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.